It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 14th of August. I'm Michael Groff. A very quiet night around the area last night, but thunderstorm activity will be on the increase through the rest of the week. More active monsoon weather returns to the valley. Let's get out there and talk about it. 101 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 80. No rain in the bucket officially yesterday. And outside right now here at 5:25 a.m., we've got mostly clear skies in the valley. We begin this day at 88 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 65, humidity 46%, winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, it's in the 70s in North Scottsdale, Fort McDowell, and in the Santan area, but most of us are in the 80s. Water vapor satellite view. High pressure is still the dominant weather feature. It's beginning to slide off to the east, and we'll set up shop around the Four Corners over eastern Arizona and New Mexico later today, turning our flow aloft to more of an east-southeasterly direction and increasing moisture. Also have an inverted trough that'll be approaching the area tonight and tomorrow. The watch warning maps still have our high fire danger out here in parts of the west. Red flag warnings. The wildfires continue across California. Numerous air quality alerts there. Elsewhere across the country, some flash flood watches, flood advisories, parts of the Northeast, and over the Plain States. Convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around Gillette, Wyoming, over towards Spearfish, South Dakota. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, which means scattered thunderstorms will be around, and while no organized severe weather is expected today, any one storm can certainly become severe during the monsoon. Rainfall for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. This is an average amount. You know, you can always get isolated totals much more than what's shown here, but around 1/4 to 1/2 inch here in the valley. Nearly 2 inches, parts of southern Arizona and up along the Mogollon Rim. Heavier totals as well. Let's get into the details of our weather now. To do that, we will take a look at the models and see where it's going. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Trough over the central plain states, high pressure here across the southwest, and the flow aloft turning east-southeasterly, an inverted trough approaching us later this afternoon and tonight, so deeper moisture will be coming in later today, tonight, and into tomorrow. As a result, down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies in the morning, partly cloudy this afternoon, highs between 101 and 104, and widely scattered showers and storms develop over the mountains. They'll become more scattered as we get into the evening hours. And let's take a look at the HRRR, the model that has really been producing some great results of late. This is one of our high-resolution models. This is tonight at 8 o'clock. It's got scattered thunderstorms coming into the valley about that time, and some of these could be on the strong side. Certainly the risk of heavy rain is there, but strong, maybe damaging straight-line winds and blowing dust would be the primary risk this evening. So a 30% chance that we'll see showers and storms in the valley tonight. Lows mostly in the mid-70s to mid-80s with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, continued mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunderstorms across much of the state. Here in the valley, we could see showers or storms just about any time. The primary window in the afternoon and evening. Highs probably not even making the century mark or just barely getting there, 97 to 100, and a 40% chance of showers and storms, not just tomorrow, but tomorrow night. And into Thursday, we'll see considerable cloudiness around, kind of a 50-50 clouds and sun, and highs again 97 to 100 with that elevated chance of storms. Friday, partly cloudy, a continued 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs 99 to 103. Saturday, we'll see a short wave passing north of Arizona. The ridge begins to slide off to the north and west. The flow aloft will become more northerly or northwesterly with time. There might be an isolated shower or storm in the afternoon and evening here in the valley, but I'd say that risk is pretty small. Humidity levels coming down, temperatures coming back up, highs 101 to 104. Sunday, mostly sunny, lower humidity, no chance of storms here in the valley, maybe isolated showers and storms in far southeast or east central Arizona. High temperatures 102 to 105. Monday around 103 to 106 with mostly sunny skies and no chance of storms here in the valley. Looks like a monsoon break. How long that lasts is a bit up in the air, though. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 21st of August. Still looks like a relatively drier regime. The moisture may start to creep back at this point, but I'm inclined to keep the forecast dry here in the valley with highs 104 to 107 and mostly sunny skies. Here's Wednesday, the 22nd. High pressure is starting to slide back to the east, and we may see a few more storms trying to make their way back toward the deserts. Highs somewhere between 104 and 107. The humidity levels may start to come back up at this point, and this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Thursday, the 23rd, high pressure over the greater southwest. Exactly where it is going to be a little bit tricky to figure out 10 days out. But if it sets up near or around the Four Corners, we might start to see the moisture coming back and the chances of storms coming back into the valley. But at this point, it's probably only a slight chance right now. We'll have to see. All right, let's check the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS Ensemble, and highs going down. And I, again, would not be surprised if we kept it under 100 both tomorrow and or Thursday, and then a warming trend thereafter, highs around maybe even a couple of degrees above normal, but certainly nothing out of bounds for mid to late August through the period. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Also, if you want to leave your comments, questions, suggestions, those are always appreciated as well. You guys be safe out there. Drink plenty of water as always. It's hot and humid. So otherwise, have yourselves a great Tuesday.